I want to show you a meme coin that has been out since around about June, which I think could do well. Um, None of this is financial advice. Do your own research before investing any money. Any investment can afford to lose. With that out of the way, I am ALTBAE. I love crypto. No FOMO. So the token I want to talk about is called Billy. So Billy is the cutest dog on Solana on a mission to be worth billions and billions. At the moment, it's sitting at a $62 million market cap. 24-hour trading volume here says $27 million. So you can see there's like interest in this crypto token again. As it's a meme coin, it is high risk. So you do what you want if you want to buy or not. I don't get a commission. I just think that this could do quite well. I personally hold Billy tokens. So yeah, I just put, for example, like I think the like one soul will be like $155 at the time of recording roughly. That would give you 2,426. And if you want to put less soul or more soul, you can work out your own like how many tokens you will get. Um, yeah, so Billy, it doesn't really have much utility, and that's the whole point. It's just supposed to be like a fun, silly, uh, like meme coin. It's got a meme generator. Also um, has an affirmation generator. So your love knows no bounds, just like this puppy's affection. You are a treasure to be cherished, and if you are a treasure, hit that like and hit that subscribe. Your heart is filled with love and joy. So they also have an X account as well, which is good just to see if they're active, like how many followers. So what's that? A pinned tweet. Yeah. So like past 59 minutes, there was another. Uh, yeah, give more candles, please. Yeah, we want more green candles. Look, you've got the little green candles there. We need those big, huge, gigantic green candles for Billy. Um, yeah, so if you want to buy, I'll write down in the description below. But essentially, you would need to buy Solana, and then you would need to put it into like send the Solana to like a Phantom wallet, which I have here. And then you can use Raydium.io, and you convert your Solana to Billy using the contract address. So you put the contract address here. You'll say like you're okay, and it will come up with Billy, and then you put how many Solana that you want to put in, and then it will swap it. That will then go into your Phantom wallet, and when you want to sell, you just do the opposite. You just do Billy to Sol, and then you take it out. Yeah. So what I do is I don't have a lot of money in my Phantom wallet. I just kind of use it to kind of transfer. So I use BonkBot for my Solana kind of trading. So what I do is I buy Solana on a centralized exchange. So I use like crypto.com, for example. I send the Solana to the Phantom wallet, and then when the Solana's in the Phantom wallet, I then send the Solana from the Phantom wallet to my BonkBot, and then I buy the Billy like tokens like straight from the BonkBot because I like to have it on the go, and I find BonkBot a bit easier for me than Raydium when I'm on the go. I can keep up with my like positions quite easily. But yeah, so one extra step, but that's what I recommend doing. If you don't like Radium, is to use BonkBot, and BonkBot is a Telegram bot, so you would need Telegram for that. Okay. Yeah, so I just wanted to just let you know that I think it's doing quite well, as you can see. Since the 16th of September, it's gone up from like a roughly $14 million like market cap to 62 million, and I think it could do quite well. Maybe like a 3x in the near term. Who knows? Like if it goes beyond 3x, then that's even better news. But yeah, so it's just as usual. Put in what you can afford to lose if you do want to invest, and yeah, like and subscribe.